You are welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and I'll be bringing you this cryptocurrency video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to subscribe to Better Finance, a very short video right here, and the risks involved after you have subscribed and the risks involved in holding BNB after subscription. So stay to the end of the video. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification. Let's make this channel grow faster. You can also check the channel and you will see other informative and educational content that will help your trading methods. Let's dive right into the video. So if you come to your Binance here and then come to the Binance homepage and you want to participate in the Better Finance subscription period. So right now is a subscription period. It's just open and all you need to do is log into your Binance account and then you come here, click on this very icon, or you go to this area and go right way to Launchpad, token launch platform. So for this purpose, I will just go to this icon right here and then you see subscription period. I have talked about all these pre-sale, token offer, hard cap per user. I'm not going to talk about that right now in this very video. So right here you see Binance give 4-hour subscription period at this very place right here. So all you need to do is to go to commit BNB. So when you commit BNB, it means that you are going to use BNB that you've been holding for these 8 days to buy Better token. Now, this subscription that you are doing or the commitment of BNB you are doing does not mean that if you commit 100 BNB, Binance will give you 100 BNB worth of Better token. That does not mean that. Now, this depends on 3 things. Number one, the number of days you've been holding BNB, the quantity of BNB you've been holding, the number of persons that participate in this process. Right now, as you can see, the total number of BNB that has been committed is 1 million BNB worth, and the total participants here is 48,671. So right here, I'm going to do it very practically. You see the number of BNB I am holding here, and I have not committed anything. So right now, I'll just go straight and say commit BNB. So once I click on commit BNB, I will just click on this commit button and commit max. So once I commit max, then I'm going to click commit now. So once I commit now, this confirmation box will come up and then I will just commit right away. So once I commit, you see commit successful, and then this time is going. So after commitment, the BNB you commit will be locked for this period of subscription, that is for 4 hours. Now, after the subscription period is the calculation period. Now, Binance will do calculation based on number one, the total number of participants and the total number of BNB committed, the number of days you'll be holding BNB. These 3 things are very important in the calculation, and the quantity of BNB you've been holding during this period. So let's say, for example, you commit 100 BNB. That does not mean they're going to give you 100 Better token worth of BNB. Okay, they're going to give you based on the number of days you've been holding, number one, number two, and the quantity of BNB you've been holding, and the number of participants that participate in this process. Because even though you have 1 BNB or 0 something BNB, you must actually get something out of the subscription period, but it depends on what you are holding. Once you commit, your BNB will be locked. After the subscription period is the calculation period, where Binance is going to calculate the number of persons that participate and then the total number of BNB you've been holding for these 8 days. After the calculation, they're going to give you an equivalent of Better token, not the quantity you committed, but based on the calculation they're going to do in their algorithm. Now, let's say, for example, you commit 100 BNB. They are going to give you, based on the calculation, maybe let's say, for example, 10. If they give you 10 BNB worth of Better token, the remaining 90 BNB will be given back to you after the calculation period. And then the final distribution period, everything, both the Better token that you use 10 BNB to buy and then the other 90 BNB that is remaining will be returned back to your spot wallet. So everything is going to go back to your spot wallet. So that is how you subscribe to Better token right now. So if you've not subscribed, please ensure you do your subscription by committing BNB right here. One more thing I want to show you on this very chart is because there is a risk involved. You know, we've been holding BNB for the past 8 days. So that means that people have been holding BNB so that they can buy better token. Now, this will happen. Now, after the final distribution period and this token is listed on Binance, some persons will sell off their BNB and the price of BNB have a potential of dropping down. So be very careful. So if you are not holding BNB for a long time, you bought BNB for this purpose, please ensure you sell off your BNB immediately after the final distribution period. Now, if you are holding BNB for a long time, then there is no need of you selling your BNB. I think that's very clear. When the beta token is being listed, this is what I do is a strategy. You have to sell, let's say for example, 30% of the quantity you've been given, okay, and leave the rest and see how market move, because there are high tendency that the market can move drastically up. So if the market move drastically up, let's say for example, the market move up and come back down and move up. So it will mean that you've already sell 30% or 40% and the initial capital which you use in buying that very particular token, beta token in this case, is secured in case of maybe drastic market move to the downside. Okay, so that is how you have to understand the risks that is involved. The first risk is if you are not holding BNB for a long time, BNB will drop after the final distribution period, because most persons that are holding BNB for this purpose. And the rise in price of BNB from this very area is as a result of the massive holding in BNB. So thank you very much for watching today's video. Please ensure you subscribe to this very channel, Remit Trade. Hit that like button and don't forget to turn the bell notification. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.